Hi, in this lecture I will explain you how to use lookup function in Excel. Lookup function can be used to search a lookup value in a table and return the result. The lookup function can look both vertically or horizontally. That means a column or a row can be searched in a lookup function. The lookup function decides whether to search vertically or horizontally depending on the range selected in the formula. Depending on the width and the length of the range selected, the lookup function decides whether to search vertically or horizontally in first column or first row. The lookup function always does the approximate match, and the table should be sorted before doing the lookup. There are two syntaxes for lookup function. Let us see these two syntaxes one by one. The first syntax, from this table based on order ID, we have to get the unit price in this cell. For that, let us try with lookup function. Lookup value, that is 4, and lookup vector and the result vector. So in lookup function we can define lookup vector and the result vector separately, or we can define only the lookup vector without mentioning the result vector. So if we define result vector, it will search the lookup value in lookup vector and it will bring the result from the result vector for the matching position in the lookup vector. You can see here it will search from left to right, and for matching it will bring the unit price. This is syntax 1. In syntax 2 we will define only the lookup vector, lookup order ID. Here we will define only the lookup vector including unit price and quantity rows. If we define only the lookup vector, it will search in first row, and for matching record it will bring the information from the last row of that range. That means it will search in the first row. So for matching this record number 4, order ID 4, it will bring the quantity that is last row of that selected range.